Hey everyone, I'm Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you the top 8 Amazon Prime web series. Here are 8 popular Amazon Prime web series that have gained positive reviews and a strong following. The first one is The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, a comedy drama series following a housewife who pursues a career in stand-up comedy in the 1950s and 1960s. The second one is The Boys, a superhero series that explores the darker side of superheroes and the consequences of their actions. The third one is Fleabag, a dark comedy series about a witty and troubled woman navigating life in London. The fourth one is The Expanse, a science fiction series set in a future where humanity has colonized the solar system, dealing with political tensions and interstellar conflict. The fifth one is Bosch, a crime drama series follows a Los Angeles police detective solving complex cases while dealing with personal struggles. The sixth one is The Man in the High Castle, a dystopian series based on Philip K. Dick's novel, depicting an alternate history where the Axis powers won World War II and divided the United States. The seventh one is Homecoming, a psychological thriller series about a caseworker at a secret government facility and a soldier trying to piece together her past. The eighth one is Hunters, a drama series set in the 1970s following a diverse group of Nazi hunters in New York City. These series offer a range of genres and themes catering to various interests and preferences. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.